Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video I am going to show you how to add YouTube link to Instagram bio. If you are new here to my channel, consider to subscribing. So let's begin. First of all, unlock your phone, open the YouTube app and go to the channel if you want to copy the link and add your Instagram bio. For this is Droid Guide, my second channel. If you not subscribe it, please recommend to subscribe these channels, also support it. For the channel page is open, tap on the three dot small button top right corner. Here you can find the share option, tap on it, then click on copy link and automatically copy the channel link. After that, return to your home screen, then open the Instagram app, and this time look at the bottom left corner, you can tap on the profile icon. After that, you are in the profile section, find the edit profile option, tap on it. Then scroll down slowly, find the add link option, click on it, then tap on add link option again. In the title section, give it a title. For example, I am title YouTube. You can type any other if you like. For URL section, simply paste the URL if you previously copied. After that, tap on the check mark icon top right corner and wait to complete the process. After it done, go back to the profile page, simply refresh the page, then your YouTube profile link is appear there. That's it. If you click on there and automatically open your channel. That's it guys, you are done. If you found this guide help you, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Like this video.